Hi guys, my name is Stacy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you a super quick tutorial on what I do in the mornings when I get ready to go to the gym. I mix it up. Sometimes I will get up a little bit early and I will put on actual makeup. For a while there, I was getting up at 5 and I would wash my face, always wash my face. I'd pull my hair back, I'd brush my teeth, and I'd go to the gym with nothing on my face. Sometimes I say to myself, Stacy, you should not be in public looking like this. Although I like to think that my skin looks great and I've been taking care of it for a number of years now and really making sure I'm using high quality products and just helping to control aging or reversing the signs of aging, preventing the signs of aging, whatever it is that my goal is at the time, or if I have a blemish, whatever it is that the case may be, I am always working towards taking care of my skin. You only get one face. This is what people see, and I always want to make sure to take good care of my skin and to wear it well. So anyways, back to my new ultimate favorite, get up and go, either if I'm going to the gym, if I am going to the grocery store, if I am just gonna go run errands, if you're a mom, you're going to drop your kids off at school, whatever the case may be, this is my new quick go-to. Put something on my face, look good, get out the door, and look still put together, if you know what I'm saying, versus the alternative of just running out with nothing on. So here's my new go-to product that I'm going to share with you, and I'm really excited about it, so let's get started. My new product that I absolutely love, it comes in 6 shades, so you can customize it to you, but it is the new Radiant Defense. And here are the 6 shades. It has SPF, can you see that? SPF 30, it's oil free, and it helps to repair against environmental aggressors, and it helps to improve your skin tone and texture. I cannot talk. It helps to improve your skin tone and texture. Slow down, Stacy. Anyway, so again, like I said, there are 6 shades. This is a sample card, so I can actually share these with people and allow them to try it out. My current shade is Sand, so I'm essentially the number 2. And this is what the bottle looks like, the Radiant Defense Perfecting Liquid. This is what the bottle looks like. You guys have to forgive me today, I just can't get it together. Anyways, and then this brush that you can purchase separately with it, I actually absolutely love. It comes with this nifty little case to keep it clean when traveling, if you have it and you're gonna throw it in your bag. But here's what it looks like out of the case. It's slightly angled. It's a great brush, I absolutely love it. There's so many ways that you can put this on. I like to just, in the morning, either take it and dab it on the top of the brush and then apply it, or sometimes I'll even not touch it to my face. But I will go ahead and do that. I know I look crazy. That's okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, for applying it, I really like to just blot this in. So you guys can take this and put it on probably in less than 60 seconds. I like to gently tap it on under my eyes. Make sure I tap it on everywhere. Again, really like to just blot it in so that it's really absorbing into the skin and giving me a nice little coverage. It gives your skin such a nice glow and really makes the biggest difference from going barefaced to actually taking 60 quick seconds out of your day. I'll put it on my eyelids too. May want to keep it away from your eyes if you have any sensitivities. Blot it down my neck just a little bit. And that's kind of the reason I like to do drops all over my skin, is that way I can just then come back and spread it out. So again, you can do this a lot quicker, but just trying to be a little bit thorough in my tutorial. So we have it on. It's giving me a nice glow. Really like that versus the alternative, like I said, of running out barefaced. Now, if you want to jazz that up just a touch for running to the gym, running to the grocery store, dropping those kiddos off, whatever it may be, you can juggle your brush and hopefully catch it. So I'm just going to take some of this Becca Cosmetics blush just right here on the apples of my cheeks. Couple of light pats. Going to quickly throw on some lip gloss. And if you want to complete your look, I have the Lash Paradise mascara, and just gonna wiggle that on real quick. You can put more on, you can do your lower lashes, whatever look you're going for, go for it. But again, I am absolutely head over heels with my ability to quickly, like I just showed you guys, throw on my Radiant Defense Skin Perfecting Liquid with my Ultra Fabulous brush right here, angled, super soft, great quality, absolutely love it. Love this duo so much. If you're needing to set it, if you have super oily skin and you're not as big of a fan on the glow, you can come in and put on this Mineral Peptides powder. I went ahead and sprinkled some on the lid right here. If you wanted to finish that off, you could come and just blot some of that in. Again, we're tapping and getting the product into the skin. So I hope you guys really enjoyed my tutorial today. Again, today this is my go-to look for running out the door to the gym. This is how I like to get up and go. If I'm running late anywhere, I can throw this on, know that I look somewhat put together, and I can get out the door. If you are interested in trying this, please shoot me a message. I would love to share it with you. It is truly an amazing product. I really love it. Everybody I've shared it with so far really has nothing but great things to say about it, and I would love to help you get out the door quicker but still feel great about yourself. So thank you again so much for being here. I love you guys and am looking forward to our next video together. Please, in the comments, if you have any questions or comments, let me know below. If you'll give this video a thumbs up, that would be great, so I know that you are enjoying the content that I'm sharing with you guys. And I would also greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel, and just let's grow this thing together, and I hope to help you guys along the way. I hope you have a beautiful week.